How to complete a sentence? Completing your sentence is really important. Whatever you say, you just complete the sentence. You see, the man goes. If I am making you understand the possibilities of present indefinite tense and then third person singular number, the man goes, then what you will say, the man goes only, but you should be aware of completing the sentence. The man goes to market. He comes here daily. I go to my room now. Do you know the way to the station? That means every time, whenever you are asking or you are replying anything, you should complete the sentence that can be possible for another one to give you the reply. Yes. Next one, whenever you are speaking, if you are in initial position that you are thinking in your mother tongue, then try to translate your mother tongue into English if possible, if you are really serious on learning. Yes, of course, you are really serious on learning and you are really learning. So try this two formula of speaking in English. First one, whatever you want to say, complete your sentence and try to complete the sentence with the meaning. That meaning should come by practice only. And second, whenever you just writing or anything, you just in the paper or pen you take and just translate your mother tongue, the sentence written in your mother tongue into English, and you will get better, you will feel better, and you will also have the easiness that you can learn, you can speak, and you can be confident at that time, because confidence matters. When you are confident of anything, you are getting it effortlessly. So that's the possibilities, that's the thing we should learn, we should follow, and we should get the main possibilities of learning. Sometimes you should work on the words. Some words you can take and you can say them as your wish, the way you wish to say them. That means how the pronunciation, if the pronunciation is correct, that's correct. If is the pronunciation you have to know, then the way you go on, and after that you can research the pronunciation, and you can ask me, or you can search from the Google or wherever you are comfortable from. Then it will be easier for you to get your pronunciation correct. That means a silly, sometimes you should take an initiative of silly uh, things, using how to make the word. Sometimes some words are writing, you are just pronouncing, um, you are just talking with the words. Sometimes you are making sentence with the words, and sometimes you are just saying full words completely. That time, this way you are getting your speaking things, speaking fluency. These steps are looking so small, so uh, mm, without you can see them. That means Sometimes we are thinking that it's so silly things, but these silly things will work for you the better way. And you start from today. I am with you, be with me, and we shall create a massive change in our speaking. That's the goodness we can feel, and that's the confidence from my side. And I know you are also with me. Thanks for your appreciation, support, and love. You are learning, you are sharing, you are giving me advice, and you are supporting me in all the way. Thank you. I love you all.